I think there's a big misconception on what you should be selling when you're selling video. And the truth is you shouldn't be selling video, you should be selling what the video does. And I think too many video agencies are focused on how do I sell the content, the beautiful content, the cinematic content, instead of thinking how do I sell a system. So instead of saying, hey, we're gonna sell you 4 videos a month, we say, hey, we're gonna sell you a monthly lead gen system. We're gonna use that same content to get you more clients, get you more leads, get you more calls booked. And so if you could just simply focus on the outcome that the client wants, you're gonna get clients who pay you more money. And I think so many times people are like, well, how do I raise my prices? How do I get more clients? How do I get people who pay me more? We have to focus on what they actually want, because they don't want just video content anymore. They want to focus on how do I get more clients using video content, and they're relying on you to be the expert in that. And so you have to focus on learning that skill yourself, which I had to learn myself, but learn the skill of like, how do I use content in Facebook ads? How do I make good Facebook ads? How do I make engaging ads? How do I make ads that actually get more leads? How do I make content that actually gets me results, as opposed to focusing on content that just looks nice? Because when I was freelance DPing for 5 years, I focused on content that really looked nice, but not content that actually converted. And it looks very different sometimes. Sometimes content that converts is content shot on a phone. As hard as it is to hear as a video agency, it's like sometimes UGC content works better than the beautifully shot cinematic content. It just depends on the brand, the use case. Like, you have to take a marketing first approach with your content, because that's going to help you actually get clients results, and then actually get yourself better results and get clients who pay you more, instead of just like becoming like a commodity that only creates content for clients, if that makes sense. So hopefully that helps.